Hey guys, I just received this automatic curtain opener. That's gonna be great for my curtains here at my house because just with the touch of a click, they're going to be opening and closing. Now let's see how this one looks inside. Wow, and the packaging is very beautiful. You can see it's like made out of a material that's kind of similar to wood. I don't think it's real wood. This is very pretty. Nice, and this is going to be the device. And let's see if there is something else in this box. And there sure is. So you're gonna have here the remote to open and close remotely. You have here a cable, and you have also some attachments that you're going to be using. So what I'll do now, I'll go ahead and install it and let's see how it works. And setting it up was very simple. All I had to do was download the app and calibrate it and also add the remote through it. And now that I have here the remote, as soon as I click open, the device is going to go ahead and open the curtain. And it's actually calibrated so that it's going to know when to stop. And that's where it stops. And now if I hit here close, it's going to start closing it. You can see it works perfectly. I really like it. And you also have here a button to pause it. So overall, very simple to use product, very easy to set up. It looks really nice and it even matches the curtain rod. So I'll be using it and I'm happy to have it.